The 2025 BMW X7 makes a bold entrance, commanding attention with its refreshed and imposing front fascia. Dominating the view is the massive kidney grille, a signature BMW design element that's now more refined and sophisticated. The grille is slightly slimmer than the previous model but has been updated with illuminated accents that give the front a futuristic, premium feel, especially at night. Flanking the grille are the new split headlight designs, inspired by the brand's flagship models. The upper strip houses sleek LED daytime running lights, while the lower section integrates adaptive matrix LED headlights with precision-cut housing. Below, the front bumper features large air intakes and aerodynamic detailing, emphasizing the SUV's performance-oriented identity. The sculpted hood lines add a muscular presence, hinting at the power that lies beneath. Moving to the side, the X7's profile reveals its grandeur and elegance. Measuring just over 5.1 meters in length, it has a long, confident stance. The shoulder line runs uninterrupted from the front fender to the rear taillights, giving the SUV a clean yet dynamic silhouette. Gloss black window surrounds and a choice of 21 to 23-inch alloy wheels enhance the sporty look, while the slightly flared wheel arches suggest off-road readiness. The side mirrors are aerodynamically designed and now feature integrated cameras as part of the 360-degree view system. The flush-fitting door handles and subtle chrome detailing add a luxurious touch without overwhelming the design. Roof rails and a panoramic glass roof create both functional and aesthetic value, contributing to the sense of spaciousness inside while maintaining a rugged SUV appeal on the outside. As you circle to the rear, the 2025 X7 continues to impress. The taillights are slimmer and more sharply defined than before, using 3D LED technology for a striking light signature. A chrome strip links the two lights, adding a touch of elegance to the rear design. The rear bumper integrates dual exhaust outlets finished in chrome, and a faux diffuser element adds a sporty edge. The tailgate, power-operated of course, is split folding for easier access to the cargo area, and an integrated roof spoiler subtly enhances the aerodynamic profile. The rear design balances luxury and athleticism perfectly, wrapping up the vehicle's exterior in a way that feels both confident and cohesive. Step inside, and the interior of the 2025 BMW X7 is nothing short of a tech luxury sanctuary. As you open the soft closed doors, you're greeted by a world of premium materials and futuristic design. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's latest curved display, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster paired seamlessly with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen, running the newest iDrive 8.5 software. The interface is intuitive, with crisp graphics, voice activation, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin in customizable colors, illuminating key trim areas and adding to the premium atmosphere. The center console has been redesigned with a crystal-finished gear selector, haptic feedback controls, and a wireless charging pad. Open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and merino leather wrap nearly every surface, available in multiple two-tone combinations. The front seats are multi-contour with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, while the second row can be optioned as captain's chairs for added comfort. Third row access is effortless thanks to electrically sliding seats, and even the rearmost passengers enjoy cup holders, USB-C ports, and dedicated climate vents. Sound is delivered by an optional Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround system with 36 speakers that turn the cabin into a concert hall. The climate control system is now 4-zone standard, with optional 5-zone customization, ensuring every passenger rides in perfect comfort. Storage is generous throughout, with clever compartments and hidden trays for convenience. The cargo area offers over 90 cubic feet with all seats folded, making the X7 as practical as it is luxurious. Safety and driver assistance features include the latest iteration of BMW's Driving Assistant Professional, with hands-free highway driving, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and evasive maneuver assist. Every element of the 2025 BMW X7's design, from its bold front to its luxurious rear, from the sharp side profile to the ultra-modern interior, reflects a blend of innovation, comfort, and performance. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the backseat, the X7 delivers a premium experience that redefines what a full-size luxury SUV can be. Would you like a voiceover version or background music suggestions for the video too?